The more you economize the movement, the more power and connected mass you have to have in the movement for it to be functional and real. Very, very, very important. Okay, smaller movement means we have to connect more mass to it for it still to work. So take each of your movements that you're working with, Gansao, your Tan, your Paksao, your Bilsao, any of your hooking hands, horns, or your spiraling hands, and put them into a functional position. This is where I'm going to use them. Person throws a punch, you put your Paksao there. Now clamp your elbow and knee, compress your core, connect your body weight and stretch, and start making the movement. Instead of making a big Paksao, start putting it there, making it smaller, making each one of these movements function with more connected mass from a smaller range. Now, over time, when I put the Vimeo channel for the Wing Chun training, I'll cover every drill. I'll cover hundreds, if not over 1,000 drills to do this. But for the YouTube channel, because most of my audience are instructors who are watching this, you already know all your movements. What you need is principle-based learning. So combining a movable elbow line, center line theory, economy of motion, and connected mass with your elbow and knee moving together, we start taking these and we start blending these theories together to make your Paksao shorter and more connected, make your Tansao shorter and more connected, make your Bilsao shorter and more connected, make the Til shorter, your Gan shorter. Everything requires less momentum of mass to be effective. So to do this, you do your drill with your training partner, stop at that contact point and just start stretching your body and activating the fascia and coming underneath your training partner. The way we connect mass is wherever the movement touches, we feel their base and we drop the hip, stretch the spine, drop the elbow and knee, clamp underneath their base and pick up their base. And then we systematically work through each structure that my partner can possibly enter into and keep uprooting and rebounding their base. This is super important, that you refine, make the movement smaller with more mass so they become efficient. The smaller your movement you have in your defensive hand whilst being effective, it allows more energy to reticulate through your power hand. Now a lot of people go, okay, you take power from here, you circle around and you put it into the other hand. It's an ideal, but that takes time and it can be very, very slow. Sometimes you just want to use your own energy, cut them off, bang, put your energy in and knock your opponent out as quickly as possible without having to circulate and rebound the force or use what they call borrowing energy in a lot of Wing Chun circles. Okay, so take these fundamental principles, connect more mass into each of your hand shapes, and as you connect more mass into your hand shape, shorten the movement and allow that increase of mass to shorten the movement so it's still martially efficient, that it controls structure, your whole body weight is arriving in each one of these positions, and you can make your training system much more realistic. Okay, thank you for your time, and I'll see you on the next video.